Today we will discuss plant cell. This is the animal cell. We have discussed animal cell, their cytoplasmic organelles, their structures and functions. In this video today we are going to discuss plant cell. This is the plant cell. Plant cell is different from the animal cell because plant cell contain some organelles which are not present inside the animal cell. Today we are going to discuss these organelles. So plant cells contain cell wall, another is vacuole, and last one is plastids. These are not present inside the animal cell. Number one is cell wall. Cell wall is tough, rigid and non-living permeable protective membrane. Cell wall is composed of strong fibers that is known as cellulose. It consists 3 layers that support plant cell. Now we will discuss these 3 layers. It has 3 layers. This is the figure of these 3 walls. Number one is known primary wall, another one is known as secondary wall, and in between them that is known as middle lamella. Plant cell contains these 3 walls. So now we are going to tell their functions. Number one is middle lamella. It separates one plant cell from another plant cell. It is made up of sticky substance that is called as pectin and cellulose. Number second wall that is known as primary cell wall. Primary cell wall lies inside the middle lamella. It is mainly composed of cellulose. Now the last one that is known as secondary cell wall. Secondary cell wall lies alongside the cell membrane. It is made up of thick and tough material of cellulose. It provides mechanical support in plant cell. Now we are discussing in other functions of the cell wall. The opening in the cell wall region that is called plasmodesmata. This is the figure of plasmodesmata. By the plasmodesma, plant cell interact with another cell from the cytoplasmic region. This is the side of plasmodesma. Now we will discuss function of the cell wall. Cell walls protect internal parts of plant cell. It provides uniform and regular shape and support for the plant. And cell wall is completely permeable to water, minerals and other nutrients for the plant. Another cytoplasmic organelle that is called vacuole, fluid-filled space that occurs in the cytoplasm of the plant cell. Plant cell have one large vacuole that takes up most of the volume in mature plant cell. We are discussing vacuoles. Now you are watching in your screen. In cytoplasm, a large area is covered by vacuole. This is the vacuole. Now I am going to tell you functions of the vacuole. Vacuole contain cell sap. What is the cell sap? Cell sap it is consisting of water, mineral, salts, sugar and amino acid. These are the ingredients of cell sap. Vacuoles play an important role in hydrolysis of plant cell. It means storage of water, organic and inorganic substances is done by vacuoles. Now we are discussing a major organelle that is known as plastids. Plastids are large and major cytoplasmic organelle found in the plant cell. According to their types, plastids are the site of manufacture and storage of important chemical compounds. We are discussing plastids that are found inside the cytoplasm of the plant cell. Plastids often contains pigment that are used in the photosynthesis. The types of pigments will determine the cell color. Plant cell color is determined by these pigments. There are three types of plastids. Now, these are the Chloroplast, that is green in color, and other one is called Chromoplast, that is multicolor, and Leucoplast, that is having no color. Now we will discuss each type of the plastids. Number one is Chloroplast. This is the figure of a chloroplast. These are the subunits of the chloroplast. We are discussing chloroplast. Chloroplast is a double membrane bound organelle. Inside the membrane, a gel-like material present that is known as stroma. Stroma contains enzymes that are useful for the photosynthesis. We are discussing chloroplast. This is the figure of chloroplast, that is green in color. In chloroplast, stroma, thylakoid occurs. In stroma, a stake-like structures that is called grana. Each granum is a stake of thylakoid disc. You can see thylakoid disc, stroma thylakoid. We are discussing chloroplast. This is the chloroplast. On the surface of a thylakoid disc, a chlorophyll or green pigment molecules are present. Now, this green poside that is known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs energy that is come from the sun. So the chlorophyll is the major site for the photosynthesis. Trap the sunlight for the photosynthesis. Another one that is known as chromoplast. It contains red, orange and yellow pigments. The coloring in the plants and flowers that is done by the chromoplast. We are discussing chromoplast. It is common in chromoplast is mostly common in ripening fruits, that like bananas. It is also common in flowering. Different types of color in the flowers is done by the chromoplast, and in autumnal leaves, these contain chromoplast. The last one that is known as leucoplast. It haven't any colors, so it is the colorless plastids. If you like this video, then please subscribe and click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.